Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can easily enable the ANC availability with only one earbud. So at first, scroll down here to the accessibility, and you may ask me where here. This is the application called Galaxy Wearable, and this application is available for all Android devices. So once you're here and you have this application set up, noise controls with on earbud is here available. So tap it to enable or tap it to disable. And here you have the explanation. Normally, to prevent discomfort, noise controls turn off automatically when you are using one earbud. Turn on this option to allow them to run with just one earbud. And that is how it works. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.